morning, everyone. I am pumping gas at 7 in the morning. I have a nail appointment. Y'all, my nails are bad. They are bitten up. That's what happens because I have terrible crippling anxiety. We are having a glow up today, y'all. We are having a glow up this weekend. I'm doing my nails, gonna do my hair, very different. I'm also gonna be doing a photo shoot. I'm gonna be doing my makeup full glams. Let's blow the fudge up because I'm tired of this. So I'm in the Starbucks line right now, and this dude behind me, I'm literally gonna show you guys right now. Like two entrances, people come this way and also they come this way, but the dude behind me came in while I was already waiting. People with common sense would know that, like, hey, if this guy has been waiting here in this other direction, then you can also wait. I'm gonna let him in. But I went in, he's like over here cussing at me, like da 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 da. I don't know, this guy's like 30 something. And then I looked at him like all calmly. I was like, I've been waiting in line. So I'm like getting in, and he's literally smushing the car and me together, and I'm like, bro, you good? And then he realized that he was stupid and he got out the way. Good morning, can I get the bacon and Gouda sandwich, please? And then I'll have a grande brown sugar oat milk latte.
All right, 2 items, gonna be $9.70.
Thank you. Look at this dude. I'm not completely sure if I made sense, but basically he tried to get it to where his car would block me from being able to get in front of him in the driveway. But that just goes to show, since I was able to get in, I was already in front of him, but he just wanted to be a total like butthole about it. So are we surprised anymore? I got myself a bacon Gouda sandwich, and I got myself the new oat milk latte. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not tried. Anyway, dropped off my pooch at my mom's house, and now I'm gonna go get my nails done. Look at how treacherous.
12 seconds later. Later.
I got my nails done. Look how cute. Don't mind my cuticles, y'all. This was not Janet's fault. We didn't trim the length, so they're just really long. This is like the normal size that I would always get. They look like she used tons of Swarovskis on me. Look at how they shine, dude. It's like this shine.
7:59 a.m.
Good morning, guys. I am not wearing the same outfit. I am, but the thing is, I slept over at my parents and I forgot to bring extra clothes. I ended up having to move a bunch of appointments till today because I was supposed to get my tan yesterday, but I did it last minute, so like I wasn't really able to get in. So I followed up with them today, and I was like, hey, like just following up, I can get an appointment today, and they just read it, they haven't responded, so I'm kind of stressing out. But then I also do have someone in LA that was telling me that she would travel to me and we could do like an at-home spray, but I've never worked with her before, so I'm really nervous. But currently I'm going with my sister to go get her first manicure. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys her hands real quick. So not only am I gonna get a glow, but so is my sister, so we're so excited. We'll show you guys the after. I haven't gotten a pedicure in about 2 months, and I'm ready to have my pearly whites. Can you call your toes pearly whites too, or no? No, that's... You guys know pink is my signature, or if I want to do white. We love to see it. Little toes. She says she never wants to get nails again, but I think she just didn't have the best experience here. So I guess like the lady didn't understand what she was saying when she said stiletto, but she gave her more like almond nails. They're so cute though.
Eventually.
What's up, guys? Oh my god, my tan looks so freaking good. Can we just take a moment? So this is what we're looking like. I mean, I obviously just got tanned right now. Her name is Steph. She's so good. Like, this is my first time being with her, but she is so freaking good. Like, it's wild. She's like amazing, super sweet, like right off the bat. Quick tan, like she did it 20 minutes max. Very effective. Like, can we just talk about this tan? Truly, I'm obsessed. Also, I came home like super fast, and I was like speeding home because I was at my mom's, which is like an hour and like some time away. I'm out of breath, so I had to like come home and like clean the whole house. I didn't want her to come over to my house, first impression, like all dirty. I mean, like it wasn't even that dirty. I just needed to like wipe down like the floor a little bit. I can't get over this tan. It's so good. Also, she's like super precise. Like she had me do this like with my hands, and like she also put like cream on my nails and my toes to make sure that it didn't stain them. Ugh, so good. She did 2 layers on me. I was thinking about doing like another layer, but for now we're gonna just stick with 2 layers so we can see like how it develops and like how dark it gets. I'm really excited. It looks so good. I'm gonna chill out. She said I needed to be just like in some chill clothes, like some loose-ish clothes. I'm going to get my water and go upstairs. I'm gonna plan on my outfits. Monica. So now really what I have to do is plan out what I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow, because I am gonna go get a wig like I told you guys. I am going to Hair Queen LA, and I think I want to wear like little jumper type situation. This one's from Bela.co. If you guys know, my friend Kayla's brand. So good, so cute. So I'm gonna be wearing this tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna be planning out these outfits. I'm gonna text Sophie, which you guys know is one of my closest friends, also my photographer. She started off as my photographer. I need to like make vlogs with her one day when she lets me film her, because she refuses for me to film her. Don't know why, because she's a really funny girl. I know Sophie's watching this right now too. I already have some really good outfits, like as you guys can see. So many things coming. Yeah, I'm gonna text her and be like, hey girl, let's shoot tomorrow and the next day, because your girl needs some content.
6 hours later.
The fact that I'm so exhausted, I've been spending hours. I've probably been sitting here for like 3-4 hours trying to figure out what I want to wear tomorrow and what I want to wear the next day. So here are my outfits. I'm just going to give you guys a little rundown. I'm not going to show you guys everything because you guys are going to see it on my Instagram. And in this little moment here, and I also have a lighter there because I have to make a TikTok in the morning before I like go and do all my stuff. Oh, I have such a busy day tomorrow. So tired, but by the way, little tan update. Much more tan. I actually look tanner in person. I don't know why it's washing me out. My lips always look weird after a tan. But anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm like really tired. I'm gonna need coffee in the morning for sure, but I'm gonna try not to, but I'm probably going to. See you guys in the morning.
5 hours later.
Good morning, guys. I just took off my tan in the shower. I just took all the excess and it looks so freaking juicy. My neck actually looks a little bit darker just in camera, I noticed. Also, this entire fit is from Baby Boo. I'm getting my hair done, but I don't know like what to even do with it, because I am gonna be filming like a couple videos with Hair Queen LA, and I want to show up looking ratchet, so I don't know what I'm gonna even do. Maybe I'll just put it up in like a high pony, try to make it not look so ratchet. There's Armani in the back. I haven't done my bed, so don't judge me. So I'm gonna go do my makeup and we're gonna turn into some bad bitches. So I'm driving and I spot my baby! If you guys have not streamed The World's a Little Blurry, Billy's documentary, please go watch it. It's literally life-changing. It's fucking amazing. Anyway guys, so this is my makeup. I was in a super rush because I thought my appointment was at 11:30 and it's actually at 11, so I was skirting off. I'm like 8 minutes late, so I feel bad, but we got the makeup on. My lashes, guys. These are my Aidette lashes by Glam & Cosmetics. I think they're actually sold out right now, if I'm not mistaken. I will let you guys know, but you guys can use my code that I'll put right here. I'm driving through Hollywood right now. Ah! I hate driving through Hollywood. It's literally my worst nightmare.
6.5 hours later. One pair of pants later.
Can we just take a moment? Holy shoot. I'm here with Sophie. She hates being on camera though. I'm telling them about you, but I know you hate being on camera.
I know, I hate it.
I love this. Alright guys, so really quickly, I will introduce you guys to my new wig in a second. I know I just kind of like left you guys hanging. I didn't really show you guys the process like that, but I did make a process video of the whole thing, so that'll be linked down below if it's already uploaded, and if it's not, then you guys will definitely see it. But look at how cute. I'm already like done with my first outfit because I'm shooting with Sophie right now. You guys know she's one of my closest friends and also my photographer. I'm like out of breath. We're trying to shoot this really fast, so I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
We're at Saddle Ranch. Sophie doesn't want to be on camera again. I hate men. I hate men.
your head on my shoulder.